If you have issues with Wi-Fi not working properly on POCO M8 Pro, then here's what you can do in order to try to solve your issues. So the first thing that you can do is you can go to settings, and over here we're gonna go to more connectivity options, and of course you want to make sure that the AirPlay mode is not enabled. Sometimes the AirPlay mode can be activated by accident, and you might not even be aware of that. So just make sure that it is off. After that, we can go to settings, and if you still have issues, the Wi-Fi settings, and if you still have issues with the Wi-Fi, you can simply turn off and turn back on Wi-Fi on your phone. Then you should be able to immediately reconnect to your network as long as the network is working just fine. And before we move on to another step, what you might want to do is you might want to check if the Wi-Fi is working properly on other devices. So if you have any other device in your home that uses the same Wi-Fi network, you just want to check if the Wi-Fi is working just fine on that other device. In case it is not working, then of course this might be the indicator that there is something wrong with the Wi-Fi itself rather than with Wi-Fi on your phone. But if you have normal access to the Wi-Fi on other devices, but you don't have it on your POCO M8 Pro, then of course we can proceed. So now the next thing that we can do is you can, for example, tap on the network that you are connected to at a given moment. So in order to, well, if you are actually not connected, if you are connected to a different network, if you have the option to use another one, then of course you want to do so. But you can also tap on the arrow on the right side on the network that you want to keep on in order to check if you can automatically connect to that network, because if that option is deactivated, and if, for example, you get disconnected from time to time after some time, then you might want to, of course, make sure that your phone can actually reconnect. Besides that, another thing that you can do is you can simply forget the network. So if you go back to the network details, then over here we have the forget network option, and then you can try to connect to the Wi-Fi again. Remember that you can also refresh the list of available networks by using this refresh option in here. So if you cannot detect your network, then of course you can do that, and hopefully the network can appear right after that. Besides that, if you have a Wi-Fi QR code, then you can scan it. So you can use the QR code scanner here in the upper right corner. So you can connect to the network without having to enter the password and without having to look for the network at all. And in case your network is not, for example, available over here on the list of saved networks, even though it should be, then you can scroll all the way down and go to additional settings. And then over here we have manage saved networks, and you can delete a network from here. So then you can try to reconnect to that network like that. And in case you need to update the password, you just have to be not connected to the network. So first we can disconnect. Let me actually switch to another one. There we go. Then you can go to the settings, and over here we have modify network, which we can use in order to change the password. Actually, we don't have to change the network, that's my bad. You can actually switch the password even if you are connected at a given moment. My bad. So yeah. But still, you might want to update the password in case it was, for example, changed, but only then, of course. There is also the network acceleration option, which might use mobile data in order to boost the speed. And of course, this feature itself is pretty great, but if this option is enabled in your case, then you might want to turn it off, at least temporarily, in order to see if that makes any difference. And last but not least, we can also go to more connectivity options again. And this time we want to choose reset Wi-Fi, mobile networks, and Bluetooth. And you might want to reset this setting, or these settings actually. Unfortunately, we cannot separate these three things, so if you decide to reset these settings, not only you will lose all Wi-Fi networks, you will also lose, for example, your connected Bluetooth devices. So you will have to reconnect to them. But after that, once you reset these settings, you just want to go back to the Wi-Fi settings, and of course you want to try to connect to your Wi-Fi again. And also remember to simply restart your phone. Sometimes a simple restart or reboot of the phone can solve some issues with the Wi-Fi. And that is pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.